Hey guys, this is Anthony from Rockin' Prints, and thanks for watching this video today. Today I'm going to walk you through in this tutorial step by step how I generate income using simply my smartphone. I let my smartphone work for me. Today I'm going to show you two platforms that I use to help generate income for me. I create a design, then a mock-up, shipping it off to an e-commerce platform, have them create the shirt in their production line, ship it, and send it to my customers, and along with placing the image on my website that can be available for purchase sometime later down the road. So if you want the best benefit with this tutorial, stick around to the very end. Also, please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and let's go ahead and get this started.
To the next level.
So the first company I'm going to talk about is called Placeit, which is a company that provides unlimited markup designs and videos for your everyday business needs that are carefully crafted by world-class designers. It doesn't matter what type of brand or business you have. Placeit has the perfect logo template for you. It's easy to sign up, and they offer two options: a single purchase program that runs for $39.95, and their second option provides a monthly fee for $14.95 or pay a one-time annual fee for $89.69. And you can cancel at any time, and your subscription includes access to unlimited mockups, designs, logos, and video templates. And the second company that I use is called Printful. It's an on-demand printing and warehouse company that helps people turn their ideas into brands and products. Whether you wish to create your own online brand or gift, or personalize a t-shirt for someone, Printful can help you get it done. Printful will automatically receive the order and fulfill it and ship it, while you sit back and get paid for every single sale you make. They provide an easy integration with your e-com store. So you guys ready to get started? Okay, when you signed up with Placeit and you're all set up, all you need to do is just click the three lines at the very top of the left, and you're going to create your setup here by selecting design. Scroll all the way down till you find t-shirt designs, and then here is where they're going to show you all the generated mockups that you can pick from of your choice, and then simply just add your version to this t-shirt and go ahead and create it. So here I selected this t-shirt, and it's called Shadow, and then under edit right here where you see the eyeball, you just simply going to click inside it and just hit delete, and then you can put your own design in here. So I'm just going to put my logo, and then I'm going to change established since 1993. I'm just going to click 2017 is when I started my company, and then we're going to go ahead and click on that. So in this particular image, I don't want the background. So in order to remove the background, you're just going to go to the middle tab where it says colors. You're going to click it, and then you're going to see the background, and you see it's black. You're just going to click the box, scroll all the way down till you see the transparency box on the very bottom of the right, and click that, get a check mark, and then you got it in transparency mode. After that, you just want to scroll up a little bit, and then you're going to see this download. Once you see the download, just click it. And what Placeit is going to do, it's going to download your image, and it's going to send it directly to your email. There you see that it's ready. And once your image is ready, just go to your email and click download. And once it's ready, I have an iPhone, so I'm just going to click more, and I'm going to save the image to my phone. And once the image is saved, you're all set. Now you're ready to go to the second platform, which is called Printful. Okay, from here, guys, you're going to hit product template, and then you're going to click on New Template. Then here you want to choose a product. So we're going to go ahead and choose a men's clothing for right now. I'm going to use this unisex premium t-shirt Bella Canvas 3001. You can see it's got 4.5 stars, 1,085 reviews, and it's starting from $12.95. And then you can see they got a variation of colors, extra small through 4X is the shirt sizes they offer. And they offer a delivery time from 7 to 10 days. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click that one. That's one of their best sellers. Here we're going to drop our image. We're going to choose a file. And I'm going to choose my logo that I created and place it. Here we're going to select the color, which I want is just black. Once you select the product, you're just going to click on Continue. You're going to hit Save Product Template. Once the product template is saved, you're going to click this box to your right with the 3 dots, and you're going to select Add to Store. Here you have an option with your e-com store that Printful works with. In this particular case, I'm going to use my Shopify store. And then you select your colors. It gives you your colors to select. You select your shirt sizes, so I'll just click all of them. And then we're going to proceed to your mock-ups. And here you choose what mock-up you would like to have displayed onto your web page. So we'll go ahead and choose this guy right here, and we'll hit Proceed to Details. And right here, the mock-ups that will be pushed to your store, you can choose, do you want it to show your front, left, or back? So we'll just select all of them. And then it says add additional mock-up styles. We don't want it in the mock-up format. We're going to go ahead and leave it in a JPEG. Once you're done, you just simply click Proceed to Details. And then here, it tells you the description of the product, and it tells you where do you want to push this into your store. And then it gives you choices of whether you want to do free shipping or not. And then after that, we're going to click Proceed to Pricing. So obviously the shirt started from $12.95. That's the Printful price. The retail price to the customer is going to be $18. And then you're going to receive $5.05 after a sale. So if you're satisfied with that, go ahead and click Submit to Store. And then it says adding new product to store. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. You can generate this mock-up, have this company print it out for you in the comfort of your own home or wherever you're at, just by simply having this smartphone work for you. And that's it, guys. Very simple, easy to do. As you see, you just let your smartphone work for you. And if you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. You have a blessed day and peace. I got my friends who got my back, so don't pretend you're all I have. You can't come crawling back here no more. First you love me.